Hello, friends. Welcome to Pricepedia. The stock which I wanted to discuss today, the name of the stock is Virtuous Optoelectronics. This company is into electronics manufacturing. It does manufacture ACs as well. Uh, this is a small cap company with just a market cap of around 1014. Not even a small cap, it's actually a micro cap company. So let's try to analyze this stock. First, we'll have a look at the fundamentals of the stock. After that, we'll move on to the chart to check for the latest updates as far as the price is concerned. So to start with, let's first check the fundamentals. So the market cap of the company is around 1014 crores. The P of the stock is 100, and if we compare it with the industry P, it looks a little expensive. But then, considering the growth which the sector has, we can ignore the P. This stock can be linked to PLI scheme also, since it's into electronics manufacturing. So I think it'll get good incentive from government as well. So there is definitely a tailwind as far as this sector is concerned. Now ROC is 13.6 and ROE is 7.16, which looks quite fine. And if we look at the FII holdings, FIIs have slightly increased their stake as far as this company is concerned. Now let's go on to the half yearly results of the company. Let's see how it has done on a quarter to quarter basis. If we compare March 2024 results with March 2023 result, there has been an uptick. So the profits, sales have increased from 225 to 293 crores. At the same time, the margins have gone up from 8% to 10%, and the net profit has gone up from 3 to 7. So net profit has more than doubled on a year-on-year basis, even on a quarter-on-quarter basis, on a 6-month basis, because these are half-yearly results. So on the previous half-yearly results, we see there is an uptick in the sense that sales have improved, margins have remained quite the same, but the profits have gone up from 4 to 7, and the EPS is gone up from 1.5 to 2.90. EPS has straight away almost doubled. So half yearly results are giving us a good picture here. Now let's move on to the profit and loss statement. What's happening in the profit and loss statement? Now this is the yearly view. This is the view of all the gone years. Uh, and it will tell us what all sales numbers were there, what all profit, top line, bottom line, everything. So it will give us a good picture. So sales, if we look at sales, it started from 55 crores, and right now the sales is at 531 crore. So it has gone up 10x since 2019, right? So operating margin used to be just around 5%. Now they are at 10%. The operating margins have doubled. Net profit, if you see, used to be 1 crore. Now it is at 10. So there's a clear correlation here. Sales have gone up by 10x. At the same time, net profit has also gone up by 10x. EPS has gone up from 3.60 to 4.44. So it looks all fine. If you look at the compounded sales growth on a TTM basis, it's 57%, TTM basis is 30%, and on as far as stock price CAGR is concerned, it's 82%. It looks fine as well. Now the company has done major capex here, so their fixed assets have increased. Look at this. It just used to be 5 crore, 11 crore, 18 crore. Now it is, they have added 50 crores in 2022, 88 crores in 2023, and 130 crores in 2024. So if the assets have gone up, that clearly means that there's some sort of opportunity. That's the reason why these assets have gone up. Now, if I look at into the promoters have slightly decreased their stake, but this stake has been decreased because of the employee stock options and all that. Actually, it's not a decrease, it's just that they might have given some stocks to their employees. And if I look at the FII stake, they have entered into the stock first time in March 2024, and their stake is 0.31%. As far as the DIs are concerned, DIs are around 1.24%. Now, this public shareholding is what is very important here. Ashish Kacholia has a stake in this company, and he's holding a stake of around 2.59% in this company. Then there are two more uh, investors here. Anjali Taparia, Aruna Taparia, and also Jyoti Taparia. Three investors are there. They have also entered into the stock very lately as far as the March 2024 results were concerned. So this is the fundamental picture of the company, and it's quite fine. I mean, it looks quite good. considering the growth which this sector presents us, considering the tailwind which is in the sector, the stock is definitely slightly expensive because it is trading higher than the industry P. But considering the fact the growth of this sector and the tailwind, we can ignore the PE completely here. Okay. Now let's go on to the chart of the company. Now this is the chart of this stock, and if you see here, the stock got listed at around somewhere around 108 rupees. So this was the price at which the stock got listed here at 108 rupees, and we see the price didn't stop at all. It never came down. It just kept on going up, up and up. It was the upward channel that took the price all the way up to levels of around 328. From here, we saw the consolidation started, and this is the consolidation which I am talking about. This is the consolidation which happened at the top of the channel. It started at the top of the channel, and then the price came down and it consolidated in the form of an ascending triangle. And if you look at this ascending triangle, the resistance is at around 341 levels, and this was the resistance which got hit here and the price came down. Second time it got here and came down, it consolidated. But look at this consolidation. This consolidation is not as big as this consolidation. This consolidation was a very big one, but this consolidation was not that big. And then, as expected, there was a massive breakout, and the breakout happened on huge volumes. And now the price is consolidating a little bit, but as and when this consolidation is happening, there are no volumes in the stock. So clearly, this consolidation is happening on the low volume. So clearly, there is some sort of accumulation which is still happening in the stock, and we can expect the stock to move up from here quite easily. So this is the ascending triangle which formed, and before this ascending triangle, we saw this upward channel that took the price all the way up to 341 levels. Now, as far as the target and all that of this stock is concerned, see, there's a heavy tailwind in this sector, and targets are like definitely there are no short-term targets here. The targets are huge as far as this stock is concerned, and this stock can be a multi-bagger in the coming days. If we can hold on to this stock for a longer period of time, it can generate enormous wealth. But if we keep it for some time, then we might make some money out of it. But my consideration is that, my opinion is that we should hold this stock for a longer period of time, and this stock can probably be a 5x or a 10x stock in the coming days. Yeah, so do keep this name in mind, Virtuoso Optoelectronics. And thank you very much for tuning in and watching this video. I do mention your comments and your opinions in case you want me to cover any other stock. Do let me know. So thank you very much. I wish you a great weekend ahead. Goodbye and good luck.